Blancpain's Villeret collection has always been about timeless elegance. And now, the Quantième Complet Phases de Lune returns with a leaner, crisper look that's every bit as romantic as ever. At 40 millimeters wide and just 10.6 millimeters thick, the new case feels perfectly balanced, refined yet substantial. It comes in stainless steel or warm 18-karat red gold, with sapphire crystals front and back and a water resistance of 30 meters. Blancpain has subtly reworked the geometry, a slimmer bezel, larger crown, and sculpted lugs for a lighter, more ergonomic feel on the wrist. The dial comes in a choice of opaline white or a golden brown sunburst, both adorned with renewed 18-karat Roman numerals and loom-tipped leaf hands. The layout is beautifully symmetrical, with day and month windows beneath 12 o'clock, a refined pointer date display circling the edge, and, of course, that iconic moon phase at 6. Now enlarged, the moon phase reveals a ceramic sky and a domed gold moon with a satin finish, a poetic touch that catches the light just right. Inside beats Blancpain's in-house caliber 665 4.4, automatic, finely decorated, and offering a 72-hour power reserve at 28,800 vibrations per hour. The new open-worked gold rotor adds a touch of mechanical artistry, while Blancpain's patented underlug correctors make adjusting the full calendar as simple as a fingertip press. No tools required. Paired with quick-change leather straps in blue, gray, honey, or brown, the Villeret Quantième Complet Phases de Lune is where craftsmanship meets poetry, Blancpain at its most timeless.